And also, like, you can do whole nails, or you can do just part of the nails. I'm gonna do whole nails for you to see it and like untie the nails. And you can use it for short nail, long nails. All right, make sure you cover everything, because sometimes they are not going to adhere the foil if we're not applying on. Okay, so cure for 30 seconds. And also with the key lamp, I'm going to do that as well, but I'm going to using a different foil. The foil box I am going to use it today is number 30th, which is like a floral, really beautiful colors. So easy to work with. So cure for 30 seconds as well on that nails. And then the foil I'm gonna using today is this beauty, super cute, perfect flowers. And also this one is really nice, kind of blush colors. The first one is ready. So now you can add it like in however you would like. You can do it this angle or this angle. You find the way you want and however you want your flower to be. Oh my goodness, I just accidentally touch it. I'm gonna using this right here, right in the middle of the nails, right there. Let's see how I'm gonna turn out. Give a good rub, good pressure to make sure all the image will transfer. It will transfer every single thing. Just make sure that you have, if you have air bubbles, make sure you will give it a little bit of pressures on it to rub everything. And that's it. Super quick and simple and easy. It transfer everything. And then let's do another one using a different foil. So this is in a box 30. So on this design, I really like this on that one. It is so beautiful though. You can leave it alone, absolutely, or you can using your 40 gels also. So it's really depend on how you would like on the nails. And then you can continue to layer if you want to. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like, it can be like this by itself.